Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this business PowerPoint template, opening slide with more transition in just 2 minutes. So let's start. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, go to the format background and paste your image in the background. Then you have to cover the entire slide with a rectangle and change its fill to white. We have to insert a triangle, rotate it like this, put it upwards, increase its size, remove its outline, then duplicate it, go to format shape and give it a slide background fill option. Now duplicate it and we're gonna rotate it like this, put both of them like this, select both of these, give them the shadow of the 5th number. Then we're gonna duplicate the triangle, go to format shape, give it a solid fill of white color, but we're gonna give it some transparency, put it into the middle and the center of the bigger triangles. Do the same for all of the other triangles. The next thing you have to do, insert you have to insert this you have to insert your content text. So here we go. Now increase the title size. Now we're gonna change this fill color to pink. Now we're going to duplicate the slide, go to the first line, move everything out of your slide, select both of your templates, give them move transition. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.